And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Everybody, today we have Fibonacci rules for trading the Contrarian Fibonacci, right? So let's find some Contrarian Fibonacci's. Let's start with AUD CAD, right? Open. Give it a second. AUD CAD, and we're going to go on the daily and the lower time frames, alright? If J4X would be so kind. The platform, give it a second. By the way, this is our last lesson of the week. Hello Ernesto, how are you? Yeah, doesn't. Daily chart first. Daily, where are we with the daily? Out this one, out this one, out this one, out and out, and trend lines. Alright, so this is the Contrarian, everybody, and give me a second. Alright, can you see, everybody, the original Fibonacci on AUD CAD daily chart? Hello Ernesto, how are you? Ernesto, would you be so kind and connect with me on Skype? I'm not sure if you are connected already, because when I'm back from vacation, we're going to start the Forex course too. Alright? Now everybody, do you see in here, do you see that the Contrarian Fibonacci is still valid? Can you see it? Alright. The Contrarian sub A, sub B, sub C, right? So the traders who love retracement trading, the Contrarian is for you. Sub A and clone, double click, sub B and whoops, alright, sub B and clone, double click, and sub C and clone and double click and sub D. Our sub A is here, our sub B is up in here, our sub C is down in here. Can you see it, everybody? And our sub D, of course. Now it didn't touch the orange, so it's up in here, right? Okay, I'll install and set up Skype and then get in touch with you. Very good. Okay, everybody, so if you want, you can trade, right? Now, how to trade the Contrarian Fibonacci? Well, you want the Contrarian to start moving to what? This is going to be the... No, it's just an option if you want, right? You don't need to, but if you want... Everybody? And remember from yesterday, what did we learn? That the Fibonacci, the Contrarian Fibonacci, has its own Contrarian Fibonacci, and the Contrarian Fibonacci has its own Fibonacci of the confirmation. Wow, right? I mean, this messes now with my head, really. Right, everybody? Boss, can you repeat, please? Yes, sir. The Contrarian Fibonacci has its own Contrarian Fibonacci. See, everybody, this price action up in here was predictable. How do you know? Well, I don't know, but if I can chart the Contrarian Fibonacci on the Contrarian Fibonacci, so let's do this. AODK daily chart. Remember, everybody, you are learning concepts. You are learning concepts. Alright? So this would be the Contrarian, you know, and it goes from here to here. Maybe not, right? Maybe not. It's a little bit above. Alright, so this one. Then it goes from here to down in here. Boss, what are we doing? We are measuring the Contrarian Fibonacci on the Contrarian Fibonacci. We would like to find if the Contrarian Fibonacci has its own conformancy. Right? Now here it broke, so I need to go back in here and high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and is this the last one? Right, there you go. Okay, everybody? So the sub C was not confirmed, and then the market rallied up, and then the market rallied down. And here is the question. If you are a retracement trader, you know, and if the market starts making higher highs, higher lows, you can go long if you want, right? Now Ernesto is saying 4-hour chart. Alright, 4 hour. This is a 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart. I'm going to delete, 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 delete. I'm not sure which one is which one, but let's say that this is the 4 hour chart and delete, 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 delete. So the 4 hour chart, high to low, change colors, edit levels, original Fibonacci. And if this is the low, this is then the high. It almost took me out. Here was the blackjack setup, and this was the low, this was the high. We are still on the 4 hour chart, going down, and this was the next Fibonacci, and this was the last one, right? Ernesto, do you have the same numbers as I do on the 4 hour chart? Hello Julius, hello Shola. What of the Fibonacci of the confirmation? Today we have the Contrarian, Shola. Alright, now for the retracement traders, if you want, you know, so this is the original Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart. Now this is the A, capital A, capital B, capital C so far, and capital D down in here, capital D, A, B, C, D. Now let's see the retracement trade, right? Boss, how do you know that the market is going to start to retrace? Who knows the answer to this great question? Everybody? We've learned it. How do you know that the market is start retracing? How do you know that the market wave is not in an extension anymore and start to retrace, everybody? How do you know this? Clown and... Yes, type in the chat. Clown and clown. Sub A, sub B, sub A, sub B, double click. Sub C, sub A, sub B, sub C, sub A, sub B, sub C, double click. Sub D, right? Sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D. There you go. Hello Allah, how are you? Allah, do you want to start the Forex course 202 together with Ernesto and Shola when I'm back from vacation? Yeah, let's do this, right? Let's do this, boss. Allah, I'm going to put you in the same group with Clara and Shola and Ernest. It's going to be a nice group, the four of you. The four of you that are going to be accountable for each other. It's going to be a nice group, believe me. Ala and Ernesto and Shola and Clara. Wow. This is going to be a nice group. We are starting August 1st, Forex course 202. The Advanced Institutional. Don't hope. Don't, I hope. Don't hope, just do it. Some people are asking what is all this about. Everybody, not to waste too much time. Not to waste too much time. The Forex course 202 is here. It's the next level, number 2. It's the Institutional Trader course. This is the money phase. You are going to learn the mindset and the heart set of the professional trader. Right? I hope don't let 2023 to be just another year. Do something, don't hope. We're going to put in a package. New package, Forex course 202, the Institutional Trader course, new package. Clara and Ala and Shola and Ernesto together. Wow, it's going to be nice. I'm excited, everybody. Yeah, if you've been around the block for 2 years, 3 years or more and you are not making it, you know, this is a must. You must come to this course. Why? Because you are not stupid, but yeah, you are lacking some specific knowledge. What is the specific knowledge? The mindset and the heart set of the professional trader. Alright, everybody, not to waste too much time. But August 1st we start monthly, weekly. Where is the 4 hour? Well, 4 hour chart, there you go. This is my wish. Will be nice, really nice group, yes, which I can join to. Everybody You need to have some money, make sense, Julius? It's not for free. Alright, everybody? Save your money, go to work, find a job, everybody. And starting from August, we are going to make the group. Julius, you're always welcome. Okay, sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D. And we're going to readjust our subs. Sub A goes to sub C. And sub B goes to sub D. Alright? Exactly. Boss, how do you know that the retracement is starting? You are going to see a change in the short-term trend. Right? Now, how to trade the Contrarian Fibonacci? Simple trading strategy as always, everybody. You don't see the future. Now, do we agree that the market was making lower lows, lower highs? Let's go step by step. Do we agree that the market was making lower lows, lower highs, and then the market was making higher highs, higher lows? Do we agree, everybody? Type in the chat, yes I agree, or type in the chat, no I don't agree. Can you see it? The red line, the market was making lower lows, lower highs, and then you have the green line, the market's making higher highs, higher lows. Can you see it, everybody? I need to stretch. Need to go to the gym, right? We sit too much. We sit too much, we drink too much coffee. Yeah, not healthy lifestyle. Alright, yes, alright. So if this is clear, whoops. I have my sub A, sub B, right? And this is my sub C. So simple trading strategy. Counter trend line break. Alright, if you want. So text again, 24. Simple trading strategy. Number 1, enter at CTB, counter trend line break. Number 2, candlestick formation at past support slash resistance. Well, it's going to be support, right? In our case, past support. Number 3, risk slash reward equals to 1 per 1.5 if you want. You know, it's a retracement rate. Alright. And number 4, stop loss below the sub A. Number 5, TP, take profit equals to sub D. Alright, everybody? Simple trading strategy. Boss, are you broadcasting via Skype right now? No, I'm not. I'm not, Ernesto. Alright, everybody? Now we're going to wait and wait and wait and wait. Bam! Okay? Ernesto, you are calling me on Skype right now. Would you be so kind and do this later? Alright, everybody. Can I enter? So here is the question. Can I enter? Where should we put it? Here, right? Everybody look at the rules and type in the chat. Yes, you can enter, or type in the chat, no, you cannot enter. You need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you have check, 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 right? So if this is the stop loss and clone, retracement rate, yeah, maybe not the best, right? But still, no problem, already closed the call. Everybody, can I enter this retracement rate? I have a great question, listen to this. Boss, why would I trade the Contrarian if I'm already trading the original one? Answer, you don't need to. Make sense, everybody? There is no right or wrong on the strategy. You don't need to trade the Contrarian. This is just a class. This is just a lesson. Alright? It's no different when we've learned about the market wave and some of you were trading just extensions and some of you were trading retracement too. Make sense, everybody? It's up to you what you're going to do. Boss, I trade only extensions. It's up to you. Boss, I'm going to trade extensions and retracements. It's up to you too. Alright? You don't need to. This is just a class. Risk-reward ratio, well, still doable, right? Come on, everybody, type in the chat. Yes, I can enter, or no, I cannot enter. And okay, to make it easier, right? Let's go 1 for 1. It's a retracement rate. Sir, what are the requirements for an advanced course? Shola, you are already in? Shola, you are already in the course. Requirements: money, because it's not for free, and those are the requirements. 1, 2, 3. Have your chart set up, have some kind of strategy. If you don't have one, I'm going to give you one, and you have an understanding on how this market works. Julius says, yes, I can enter. Very good. So let's see, everybody, how this is going to play out. Market moving up and almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. Bam. So we won on that one. We're waiting for the new high. 2 candles on the left, 2 candles on the right. And here is our new sub A goes to sub C, and sub B goes to sub D, right? What about now? Can I enter the market, everybody? Can I enter right now? I mean, look at this. Risk-reward ratio. I'm going to risk 1 and I'm going to go after 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, nice, right? If the daily shortened uptrend is confirmed too, I don't have any rules, Julius, about the daily uptrend. Where is the sub-D extension? Up in here. Everybody, I entered on the first one. Can I enter on the second one? Shola says yes. So I'm in the market, and let's see how this is going to play out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we are here right now. So if you want, right, and this is no trading or investment advice, if you want, risk reward ratio, 1 for 1 roughly. Make sense, everybody? Any questions? Any questions? Alright, everybody, this is our last lesson of the week. See you back on Monday. Alright, yeah, it's a short lesson today. Until Monday.